everybody, how y'all doing today? Alright, so the other day I got my ports in. Well, same day I went and picked up my wood. I ain't gonna be able to record everything today, so y'all just gonna be seeing a few bits, pieces, a few bits and pieces here and there. So pretty much, heck, I'm hoping by today I should be playing. Now, I'm gonna have to run to Harbor Freight, go get me some saw blades, because my jigsaw blade is only like that. I need them like that, if not longer. So, heck, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the first section cut. So I got all my ports and stuff here. Got this part right here cut. The only thing I gotta do now is cut out the holes. So I'm gonna cut out the holes with these, and then I get to do the same thing with all that right there. It's gonna be a little bit longer than I thought, but I ain't too worried about it though. I still got the rest of the day. Probably say maybe another 2-3 hours. I should be done, and hopefully within maybe another hour or so after that, I should be playing again. I'm hoping. Hey, y'all stay tuned.
Justified. Bitch, rack city 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 bitch, 10, 20s and the 50s bitch. I'm a motherfucking star. Look at the paint on the car. Too much rim, make the ride too hard. Tell that bitch hop out, walk the boulevard. I need my money pronto. Get it in the morning like a